This video is going to be sponsored by Exter. Exter has one of the best wallets out there, guys. Check out these wallets that I'm going to show you guys right now. They have a sale going on. I'm going to link everything in the description. Click that link so you guys could go take advantage, okay? This one here is an aluminum card holder. Aluminum card holder. Amazing, guys. Amazing. Look at this. Aluminum, right? You can stick some cards right here. Right up over here. Look, holds about 6 cards, these things, man. Exter's logo right there. This one is nice. Look at the quality. Look at that. Polymer mint wallet. Now, these wallets are the smartest wallets out there. Now, this one holds from 1 to 12 cards. The Exter logo right there. And voila. You open this one up. You got some space here for some more cards. And you can put your money in here. All right, here's the tracker. Here's what it looks like. You could turn it on. You could download the app. All you got to do, put it right here in the back. You heard that? Put it right there. And your wallet is protected at all times. If you lose it, all you got to do is go on your app and it'll locate where your wallet is. Link will be in the description to their website where you can actually pick these up. There is a 20% off right now. Take advantage. We're going to get into the Air Jordan 4 Canyon Purples. What's going on, you? It is your boy VS Dan. I am back with another video for you guys. We got the Air Jordan 4 Canyon Purples, women's exclusive. Supposed to release sometime in October. Now it's going to release sometime in November. I'm not too sure, but I know the dates are changing. About to give you guys a detailed review on these and an on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet. Before we get into this video, all you guys out there, make sure you hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and also click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop videos like these. Now, these are the Canyon Purples, guys. Dope colorway. Now, all around, the only thing that's crazy about this shoe that kind of just bothers me is that, it's got that hairy suede on the shoe. I kind of wish they would have put a nubuck. I know it's a woman's shoe and they probably just going to release these out for the winter and they try to do something different. Cool, they still nice, man. These are really nice, guys. Like, the colorway just pops. But I do think it would have been better if these bad boys would have been nubuck. Unfortunately, they didn't. They gave us a suede material that I'm going to show you guys in a little while. It's not bad. It's really not bad. It's actually really good suede. Let's get into it. Now, we're going to start off with the box. Take a look at the box. Regular Jordan 4 box. Nothing special. Got your red Jumpman flight. You already know. Take a look at the size tag. Women's Air Jordan 4 Canyon Purple Safety Orange. These are 10.5, which equals a 9 in men's, all right? So if you guys going to cop these, you go up a size and a half. So if you a size 9, you will get these in a 10.5 in women's. If you are size 10 in men's, you will get these in 11.5 in women's, okay? Start with the outsole. Now, the shoe does have like a tint of this green, olive green color towards it over here on the midsole and on the bottom of the shoe, as you guys can see. All right, so you got that little olive color on the bottom going in the front, and in the back, you got your orange Jumpman, black, white. You guys can see the outer sole. When you get up here, take a look at the midsole. Midsole, I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. You see that? It's not that cement gray that it's supposed to be, but it's in a like cement gray with a tint of green to it. You know what I mean? I think it would have been better if it would have been cement gray, but I think it hits good with the purple. All purple upper in that suede, real soft the suede. Air bubble unit is clear, black on the midsole. You got your speckles on the midsole with that green tint. You got your wing in the black, the netting in the purple with the black behind it. Honeycomb eyelids with the speckles on it. Does come with an extra set of laces, a pair of black laces. Front of the toe box, you can see you also got your suede. Your purple laces. Going up on the tongue, you do got the flight tag with the jump, and you do got the suede also on the tongue. Medial, same as the lateral. All suede upper, black netting, purple netting here with the black behind it. Speckles on the midsole in that green with the white, black. You guys can see. For sizing on these Jordan 4s, I do recommend you go true to size. Go true to size, you'll be good to go. Behind the tongue, you do got the Air Jordan upside down. You do got a hit of orange behind, like an infrared or orange behind the tongue. The orange Jumpman, purple inner sole. Got a Jumpman back there in black with your black pull tabs. And you guys can see, man. But there you have it, man. Quick, straight to the point on these Air Jordan 4 Canyon Purples. I want to know what you guys think, man. Is this a cop? Is it a pass? Thank you all for watching. Hit that thumbs up for your boy. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Got more videos to come. We're about to get into this on feet, man. Hope you guys enjoy this review of these Air Jordan 4 Canyon Purples. Let me know what you guys think. It's your boy Diaz Dan. I'm gone.